Hello guys, this is MinhyeokChoi3rdL26 lesson 26. Let's get started. Find the sum. Write the answer in simplest form. Use fraction bars if you wish. Okay, so number 1 we have 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5. So the way we could add fractions is set them up like this and just add. Okay, the rule of thumb when it comes to adding fractions, the bottom or the denominator has to be the same. So in this case, 5 and 5 are the same, so we're good. And if we're adding fractions, the denominator is going to stay the same. And the top we're going to add, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So this will be 2/5. Number 2, we have 4/6 plus 1/6. And we see that off the start, 6 is the same, so we're going to keep the 6 and we're going to add the top, which we get 5. So this would be 5/6. Number 3, we have 3/5 plus 1/5. We're going to keep the 5 common denominator, and 3 plus 1, we get 4. Number 4, we have 3 over 12 plus 6 over 12. We're going to keep the 12 because it's the same, and we get 9. 9 over 12. 4 plus 10, 4 over 10 plus 4 over 10. And we will get 8 over 10. Number 6, we have 3 over 3 plus 1 over 3. We are going to keep the denominator and add the numerator. Let's move on. Find the difference. Write the answer in simplest form. Use fraction bar if you wish. Okay, so we are subtracting now. Just like addition, we are going to make sure that the denominator is the same and subtract the top. 1/3. 4/5 minus 1/5. We know that both are fifths, so we're going to keep the 5, and 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 over 6 minus 2 over 6. We're going to keep the 6 and minus 2 from 4. We get 2/6. 5 over 6 minus 1 over 6. We get 4 over 6. Number 5, 7 over 10 minus 2 over 10. We will get 5 over 10. 3/4 minus quarter. Keep the denominator and subtract the numerator. Find the sum or difference. Write the answer in simplest form. Use fraction bar if you wish. Okay, so 1/2 plus 1/3. Oh, now we see that the denominators are not the same. In this case, we're going to have to find something called the least common factor. No, greatest common factor, GCF. Or, it's called least common denominator. So that means that we're going to have to find a number that goes into both 2 and 3. In this case, the number LCD, least common denominator, will be 6. So 2 goes into 6 3 times, and 3 goes into 6 2 times. So from 2 to get to 6, you have to multiply by 3. Because we multiply the bottom by 3, we're also going to multiply the top by 3. And for 1/3 right here, we're going to multiply by 2. Because we multiplied the bottom by 2, we also have to multiply the top by 2. So we're going to get 3 over 6 plus 2 over 6 is equal to 6, and 5 will be up right here. Okay, 3/4 plus 1/3. Okay, so this is the same thing. So the one way to find the common the least common denominator is to multiply by the other one, which means that if I want to find a least common denominator for 4, I will multiply by 3 because 3 is the other denominator, And for this side, we will multiply by 4 over 4. So we'll get 9 over 12 plus 4 over 12, which gives us 13 over 12. Number 3, we're going to use the same mechanics. 5 over 6 minus 1 over 4. We're going to multiply by the other one. And we will get 20 over 24 minus 6 over 24. And that will give us 14 over 24. Number 4, 2/5 plus 1/2. We're going to do the same thing. Multiply both sides by the other one. So this gives us 4 over 10 plus 5 over 10. And the answer of this will be 9 over 10. Number 5, 7/8 minus 2/5. Again, we're going to multiply by top and bottom by the other denominator. And that gives us 35 over 40 minus 16 over 40. And 35 minus 16, we could do that right here. 35 minus 16, that becomes a 2, that becomes 15. Minus 6, we will get 9. And 2 minus 1 will get 19. That'll be 19 over 40. Last one, 3/7 plus 2/9. Multiply each side, top and bottom, by the other denominator. And we get 27 over 63 plus 14 over 63. And we get 41 over 63. Okay, let's move on. Word problems. Number 1, Emma made 3/4 of a gallon of lemonade. Her friend Mia brought 1/4 of a gallon more. How much lemonade do they have in total? Okay, so Emma brought 3/4 and her friend brought 1/4. So if we add this, just like we did up on the other examples, we get 4/4, or 4 divided by 4, we know that better as just 1. Liam ate 5/8 of a pizza. His brother ate 2/8 of a pizza. How many pizza did they eat together? So we're finding out how much they ate together. Liam ate 5/8 and his brother ate 2/8. Because the denominator is common, we're just going to add the top and we get 7/8. Sophia jumped rope for 7/10 of an hour in the morning and 3/10 of an hour in the afternoon. How much did she jump rope in total? Okay, so she jumped for 7/10 of an hour in the morning and 3/10 in the afternoon. Because the denominator is the same, we're gonna keep it and add the top. We get 10 over 10, which is better known as 1 hour in this case. Noah had 5/6 of a cup of cookie dough, but he used 2/6 of it to make cookies. How much cookie dough does he have left? Okay, so if he originally had 5/6, but then he used 2/6 of them, that means 2/6 will be gone. So we subtract it. We keep the 6 because it is the least common denominator, and 5 minus 2, we get 3/6. The answer will be 3/6. And that is it.